Why does a bad surfer make YouTube videos about surfing? Interesting question. Don't know if I necessarily know the answer, but let's work through this together. One, I really like making videos, period. So whether it's smashing Legos or playing golf or whatever the case would be, I don't want to say always enjoyed making videos, but I've recently really enjoyed it. I enjoy editing it. I'm not very good at it, just like I'm not very good at surfing, but I do enjoy it. It brings me peace, and I think you get a lot of, especially with surfing, you get a lot of really good feedback about your surfing from the videos. You definitely get to see what you're doing wrong. You get to see what you're doing right. We'll leave it with that. Number one, just flat out like making videos.
Got you tulips in a twist, hand up boss like communist. No, I can never ever get back all the things I missed, but I'm that man that think you got the gist.
I guess the number two reason would be I am really gotten into surfing more, or who has had a really big impact on my surfing, is the other guys who like film themselves and do vlogs, like obviously Ben Gravy, who obviously gets me super stoked to surf, and Jamie O'Brien gets me super psyched, and yes, I'm using their words. That shows that you don't have to have the perfect wave or the perfect water angle or the perfect shortboard, whatever, to really enjoy the sport, enjoy it. So yeah, I think it's important to let people know that really no matter what the skill level, you can go out there, you can have fun, you can just enjoy the ocean. World's biggest playground.
Like all the things I missed, but I'm that man that think you got the gist. Got you tulips in a twist, hand up boss like communist. No, I can never get back all the things I missed. I'm that man that think you got the gist. I wanna be last night, not the same place where I ended up right. Gotta move quick when the time is tight. Better get off, I'm catching a flight. We're on the rooftop, you're still inside. You wouldn't move, some get that pride. I said, you said, we said, you said, she said. I could be a last lifelong, coming like a people.
This is the third reason, and it's this. Because there's really very little in the world that feels as good as that. There's just a sense of accomplishment, and there's just a sense of this tired feeling, this exertion, this almost like, I guess, a runner's high, but I guess we'll call it a surfer's high. And if I film them, then I'll never feel this exact feeling again, but I can relive those memories, and maybe it'll take me back to a sensation from that day. I don't know, but that was cool. That was a cool day. That was a cool sesh. Had some fun ones for sure. Ran into Moose, Surfing Moose, at Surfing Moose. Definitely subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'll put a link below. He's like Ben's protege. It's weird. Ben Gravy has gotten so big that you only need to go by one name now. He's just Ben. Ben's protege. I'm Ben's like Kukage. I don't even know if I'm good enough to be his Kukage, but yeah, so he was super nice, and I think he got a clip or two of me. Maybe you just saw it in the previous edit, but yeah, super cool. Very happy with the day, and now we'll head home and think about the next time, I guess. But if I could do anything that makes other people have the same feeling that I have right now, if one person sees a video and says, oh wow, like, yeah, you don't have to be great, you don't have to be a guy who grew up on the beach, you don't have to live in Hawaii, you don't have to you know, have parents that surfed or any of that stuff. You just have to want to do it, and if you want to do it, you can do it. I mean, that's all there is to it. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. And yeah, so I don't know. Those 3 reasons might not be very succinct, but they are how I feel. I don't know any other way to say it other than it's just, it's an extension of the surfing. And when you're not surfing, and I think most surfers wish they could surf every day, the majority of days, it's another outlet of surfing in a sense, you know? You get to edit, look back at stuff, you know, because we're always trying to, there cannot be enough surf content out there, you know? I mean, I'll watch anything, any surf content pretty much I'll watch. And I don't know, I'm rambling now, so I'm probably gonna stop here. But appreciate it, appreciate the watch. If you got this far in the video, which I doubt you did, but if you did, subscribe, like it, helps the algorithm. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Got you tulips in a twist, hand up boss like communist. No, I can never ever get back all the things I missed, but I'm that man that think you got the gist. Got you tulips in a twist, hand up boss like communist. No, I can never ever get back